And I know so many publishers who are, getting the traffic in millions, but they don't know how to monetize. The only strategy that they have is just put the AdSense and,
Yeah.
fingers crossed. So what would you suggest them?
Think well. You can take the easy way route or you can get a tough route. The easy way route is, I would say, upgrade your technology by getting a technology AdOps partner. So
Mhm.
maybe I would recommend AdPusher, but maybe somebody else as well. There are a lot of players in the market. AdThrive is like, there are quite a few. So get an AdOps partner. So they take care of your technology in a way where instead of AdSense, you are running an exchange competition going on the website. It will definitely increase your CPMs by at least 50%, and you wouldn't have to spend an energy on it. The
Interesting.
thing is, the whole ecosystem works in splits. Like, it takes away a lot of control from your hand if you completely give it to somebody else. So I
Mhm.
would say it's important to know some aspects yourself as well, because ultimately you know your business the best. So
Mhm.
how does AdOps work with content really helps you optimize long term as well.
Nice.
So either get a technology partner, or let's say become big enough that you can get your own Google Ad Manager from Google directly.
Hmm. I
Yeah.
believe they are calling it double click. Is that the one, or they have changed the name again?
Yeah, they've changed the name again. It used to be DoubleClick for publishers, DFP before.
Mm-hmm.
Now they have three versions. So one is just AdSense that you have.
Mm-hmm.
Then a lot of times people log in on Google Ad Manager with a free account, but that account doesn't have anything.
Mm-hmm.
You can get Google Ad Manager small and medium businesses, which generally, let's say if you're doing 10 million page views a month or something, then you can get something like a Google Ad Manager small and medium business, which is a free software, but
Mm-hmm.
it allows you to get access to AdX. So
Okay.
AdX is a much better demand than AdSense.
Mm.
In AdSense, Google also keeps a higher cut. In AdX, they keep much lesser cut. It's a more premium demand, better revenue share. So move to AdX. That itself will increase your inventory quality significantly. And from there, you can maybe then get a header bidding partner on board as well.
Interesting.